Hey there, my name is Miguel Valdez Novoa. I'm a fourth year marketing student here at USF, and this is my Tableau project for marketing management problems. Let's get right into it. This assignment was based on a case study by Rocket Fuel, where this company executed an advertising campaign for another company called Tableau. The main challenge was to accurately measure the success of the campaign. Are we looking at return on investment, at profitability, maybe both? For this campaign, the conversion rate means the percentage of unique users who made a purchase. In order to provide evidence that the ads do make a difference, Rocket Fuel carved out a small portion of users to form a control group with a size of 4% of total users. This control group was exposed to a different display advertisement than Tascabella's. The data collected from the campaign was provided in an Excel file. In this file, each row represented a uniquely identified user in the ad campaign. And for each user, the following 6 columns were provided: user ID, test, converted, total impressions, impressions per day, and impressions per hour. And we're going to be looking at them today. Here's our first sheet. It shows the days of the week and the total impressions the advertisement had for each day during the campaign. As we see, Friday seems to be the most popular day for impressions with a total of 200,000. Second best would be Saturday, 162,000. After that, we're going to be looking at the control group. For the control group, they received the most impressions on Tuesdays with a total of 2,500, followed by Friday, which was the first day for the non-control group. We're going to be looking at these side by side. Here we can actually do something so it looks a little bit easier. As we see, for the control group, it was Tuesday, and for the not control group, it was Friday that they saw the most impressions of the display ad. Let's look at conversions. We can look even deeper and determine that most people did not convert. However, most people converted on the day that most people were exposed to the display ad. Now, let's look at conversions in the control group. As we saw, Tuesday was the one day that people saw the ad the most. However, when we look at who converted, we can easily say that it was on Tuesday that most people converted. Therefore, we can see that there's a positive correlation between the total number of impressions and the conversions per day. Let's look at conversions side by side. Friday was the day with the most impressions, also was the day with the most conversions. As for the control group, we can see that Tuesday was the day where they had the most impressions, and at the same time, it was also the day they had the most conversions. So there's a positive correlation between the days that have the most impressions and the days that have the most conversion. For the control group, that was Tuesday. For all the other users, it was on Friday. Here we can see the top 10 users who received the most impressions. As we can see, 3 of those users converted while the remaining did not. If we look closer, we can see that the user that had the most total impressions did convert. That has been my Tableau project. I hope you've learned something, and as always, go Bulls!